You scared me, Alyssa. I didn't see you there. Happy haunting, Flyers. I'm Harvey.
And I'm Alyssa Matriano.
And welcome back to this week's Spooky Rundown.
For Friday, October 29th, 2021.
You know what, Alyssa? I didn't feel too good this past weekend.
Really? What was wrong?
Yeah, Laney Mole diagnosed me with boogie fever.
This past week, Loyola had its homecoming week and homecoming dance. Throughout the week, students got to dress up accordingly to each day's theme. Students seemed to really enjoy this year's homecoming week.
Homecoming week was fun. My favorite day was Country vs. Country Club, and I dressed up country.
I had a lot of fun homecoming week with all the themes and dressing up with my friends.
My favorite thing about the homecoming week was the themes, and it was country club versus country, and it was like I love the country stuff, and I was wearing my fishing gear and everything, and I was wearing my overalls and mostly everything.
I enjoyed homecoming week a lot because on Monday we got to wear pajamas and I just got to come to school how I woke up, and it was really easy.
Now for the homecoming dance recap.
The homecoming dance was more fun than I thought. We did a lot of dancing and my calves were hurting a lot after.
The homecoming dance was super fun. I didn't have a date, but I got to go with all my friends, and we had a great time before and after.
Everywhere you go, you gon' need a hype team. How you gon' put on the show if you ain't got no hype team? They be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey. Then you say, hype me up, 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 leg it loose, hype me up when I whoa, hype me when I milli rock, hype me when I hit them folk, hype me when I moonwalk and reverse it on they ass, hype me up, this a freestyle, no rehearsing on they ass, hype me up in the club, yeah you know I'm finna bop, all that drip I got on me, yeah you know I hit that mouth, hype me up, I'm on fire, that's a ooh, that's a I, hold up, wait, you ain't got no hype team, then I'm your guy, hey. Everywhere you go, you gon' need a hype team, go put on the show if you ain't got no hype team, if they want you turning up, then you with the right team, just make sure you do your dance when you hear the hype team, they be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey, then you say, hype me up, 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 hype me up.
This has been Laney Mole.
We hope everyone had a great time at homecoming, but it wasn't the only thing exciting going on last week.
Flyers dominated all sports, and Kate Johnston gives us the spook.
The Flyer football team will take on Red River in a big non-district game Friday night at Mesmer Stadium. It will also be senior night as the Flyers try to pick up their 5th straight win. Last week, Loyola defeated North Webster 38-12 to stay on top of the district standings with a 3-0 record. Trey Taylor scored 4 touchdowns, including an amazing 90-yard kickoff return. He also caught 2 touchdown passes. As the Flyers scored 38 straight points, Jacob Lafitte had a 47-yard field goal, and Van Norman added a 12-yard interception return. Reagan Coyle led the defense with 10 tackles, and the Flyers had 4 interceptions and 2 fumble recoveries. Soccer tryouts were held earlier this week, and the team rosters were announced on Wednesday. Girls basketball is also getting started with preseason scrimmages. Monday, the Flyers traveled to Minden and came away with a win. The girls will have another scrimmage versus Woodlawn on Saturday. Meanwhile, the boys will have their first scrimmage on Monday as they prepare for the upcoming season. Cross country and volleyball are gearing up for the postseason. The cross-country team won first place at a Ouachita Christian meet Tuesday. The girls' team was led by Aiden Hurd, who set another course record for Loyola with a time of 21 minutes and 3 seconds, followed by Bridget Dawn, Kate Fortune, Caroline Henry, Maeve Shimoleski, and Adriana Martin. The boys' team had a team average of 17 minutes and 34 seconds, set by Jonah Drouillard, Warren Graves, Trip Romer, Jackson McNeil, Patrick Haynes, Thomas Yoakum, Matthew Fortune, and Reese Meckelberg. The volleyball team is hoping to have a home playoff game. They defeated Red River on Tuesday 3-0, and on Wednesday they defeated Mansfield 3-0.
Hey Grace, do you know what spooky thing is going on this Sunday?
No, what is it?
It's Halloween, silly. How could you not know?
Well, Olivia Hudson sure did, and she interrogated students at balcony on their spooky, scary knowledge.
Halloween is this Sunday, and to prepare, Loyola took on some spooky trivia questions to get into the Halloween spirit.
A fruit, it has seeds.
A vegetable.
It has seeds.
It's a vegetable.
It's gonna be a fruit.
I would say a vegetable.
A vegetable.
Yeah, it has seeds.
It's a vegetable.
A fruit.
Vegetable.
Fruit.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit, it has seeds.
Oh.
I would say a fruit because it has seeds.
America.
Japan.
United States.
England.
It's Germany.
I think that's Ireland.
Mexico.
All Saints Day.
Thanksgiving.
All Souls Day.
All Saints Day.
All Saints Day or All Souls Day?
All Saints Day.
Orange, white, yellow. Orange, yellow, white.
Yellow, white, orange.
So top to bottom, white, yellow, orange.
It's yellow, white, and orange.
It goes white, orange, yellow, and fruits have seeds. If I remember correctly, it's either young boy or Elvis Presley.
Bobby Pickett.
Frankie Valli.
What she said.
China and McLean.
China and McLean.
Have a happy and safe Halloween, Flyers. This has been Olivia Hudson.
Hey, Alyssa, what's your favorite part of Halloween?
Well, Grace, mine's definitely the candy. But what about yours?
Mine's the costumes, and it's Judy Lowry's too.
This weekend is Halloween. We may not all still trick or treat, but I know we all still like dressing up. So let's go see what everyone plans on wearing.
I'm gonna be a pumpkin.
I'm Grant, and I'm gonna be a Teletubby for Halloween.
I'm Nick, and I'm gonna be Miss Hodges for Halloween.
I'm Emma, and I'm gonna be Daphne from Scooby-Doo for Halloween.
I'm April, and I'm going to be Patrick Bateman from American Psycho.
I'm Hayden DeBrock, and I'm going to be a prisoner. I'm Claire Guthrie, and I'm going to be a prisoner.
I'm Avery, and I'm gonna be a pretty pink cowgirl.
And I'm gonna be Notebook Paper for Halloween.
I'm being Michael Orr from the famous movie The Blind Side.
And I'm being Elmo from the famous TV series Sesame Street.
For Halloween, I'm being Peter Griffin.
For Halloween, I'm going to be a dog. Bark.
I'm gonna be Ronald McDonald. I'm gonna be Colonel Sanders.
I'm gonna be my dad.
I'm so excited to see you all in your costumes. This has been Gigi Lowry.
I know I'm excited to see everyone's costumes at the game on Friday at Mesmer against Red River, and trick-or-treating on Sunday. Have a beautiful weekend, Flyers.
Boo to you, and from our crew, we're signing off.
I don't think that weather with Will was right because it looks like it might rain, everybody. Do you guys see that? Maybe if I moved, you would. I think that it might actually rain. I don't know. Maybe not. Okay.
William, the drone has left the chat. The drone is over the highway. It's like over the highway.
Wanted. Okay. From top to bottom, I'm thinking the outer is going to be yellow since it's called candy corn. I wasn't going top to bottom.
What's the outer?
Like, it resembles like a corn kernel, so they stick them together. So the yellow is always on the outside.
No, it went back that way.
Back
Where? Right back there.